Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at Kickstart Male Performance Gummies. These are available on platforms like Amazon and eBay, which might feel more reassuring than buying from an unknown website. At the very least, buying through these platforms reduces the risk of receiving a counterfeit product. But there are several reasons to be cautious before making a purchase. First, there are no independent or verifiable reviews. Almost all the feedback comes from the brand's official website, which makes it difficult to know whether the product actually works or is safe. Some of the testimonials on the site also raise red flags. A few images look AI generated or overly staged, which doesn't inspire confidence. This, combined with the heavy promotion by affiliate marketers, means many of the glowing reviews could be more about earning commissions than offering honest feedback. Another major concern is the lack of clinical testing or third-party verification. The company doesn't provide clear data on safety, ingredients, or effectiveness. And when it comes to supplements that claim to affect your health or performance, this is a significant warning sign. So, what does this mean for you? If you're considering trying Kickstart Gummies, it's important to recognize these potential issues. The product might be appealing, but without verifiable evidence, there's no guarantee it will deliver the promised results. Ultimately, it's your choice whether to try them, but it's wise to approach with caution. And as always, before starting any supplement, especially one related to performance or hormones, consult with a healthcare professional to make sure it's safe for you. If this review helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Drop a comment and let me know if you've tried these gummies or have questions. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy staying safe.